Tennessee has joined a lawsuit to sue the federal government over a bathroom directive from the White House.
It's one of 11 states to file. This comes after the Obama administration said public schools should allow transgender students to use the bathroom of their choice.
Several of Tennessee's lawmakers sent a letter to Attorney General Herbert Slattery recently asking him to take action. Slattery said today Tennessee wants a judge to declare the directive unlawful. And there's a Tri-Cities lawmaker who says he is glad the state's stepping in.
That's right. News Channel 11's Jordan Moore got reaction to that lawsuit tonight.
Josh Harris, State Representative Timothy Hill said he applauded the Tennessee Attorney General's efforts on this lawsuit, but transgender advocates said this legislation will only bring more unwanted attention to their community.
A lot of these folk didn't ask to be put in the spotlight, and that must be hard.
As news spread that Tennessee had joined the fight over which public bathrooms transgender people can use.
That's infuriating to me. You've used the bathroom next to transgender people your entire lives with zero issue. It was never an issue until politicians drug it up to be an issue.
We found differing opinions about the decision by Tennessee's Attorney General Herb Slattery. Tennessee and 9 other states joined Texas in suing the federal government over a recent directive about transgender students in schools.
Texas will continue to stand up to President Obama and his agencies whenever and wherever they attempt to circumvent the rule of law.
A directive from the Obama administration to schools to allow transgender students to use the bathrooms that match their chosen gender identity.
He didn't make any laws that say anything. He just said, let's start being nice to people and not segregating them from restrooms.
What we're concerned about is federal overreach.
State Representative Timothy Hill is in favor of the lawsuit and feels it's a debate each state should have individually, a state's right worth fighting for in court until there's a resolution. What should schools in Tennessee, what should they do?
Sure, well, as far as the actual solution, I'm not sure just yet. But I'm certain that it is something that can be set at the state level.
A spokesman for Governor Bill Haslam told the Tennessean newspaper he supports Tennessee joining the lawsuit against the federal government. Jordan Moore, News Channel 11 in your corner.
Tennessee lawmakers debated transgender bathroom legislation in Nashville in the previous session. That legislation was put on hold, though, by the sponsor.